Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro, this 5G version, 8, 20, 256GB ROM memory and 8GB RAM memory. Open box, look completion. In completion we have device with triple camera. Okay. And other completion, this only cable Type-C and protected back cover. Okay, we have 200 megapixels AI camera system, MP67 water and dust resistance, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, 45 watt turbo charging, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, 1.5K 120Hz display. Okay, triple camera, on this side power button and low buttons, on this side without controls. Downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card and speaker. 6.7-inch display, turn on device. We have battery 5100 mAh. Okay, turn on, open settings. We have Android 14 and Xiaomi HyperOS version 1.0.4. Close this. Open Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results very good. Geekbench 6 results look. Single core, multi-core score. GPU test results. Open PUBG Mobile. Okay, high graphic level, close game, works good. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.